Welcome guys, welcome everyone. Good morning, good evening. Welcome great and lovely community. Ready to kickstart on a happy Monday times. The so-called best week of the year. Every single week we start should be the best, guys. Because that means to do better than the previous ones. And that's actually one of the main objectives that we should have, progressing. Thank you so much guys for joining. Have a lovely day. And let's get into the business. Business of the business. What's happening out here? 750s on the Nasdaq. Bunch of discussions with Powell. And a whole lot of the things. Cheers everyone for a happy Monday time. Good morning Jake. Good morning guys. Good morning a lot of you. Badger. Whoa. There's so many of you that have joined already. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. So we're off to a great start of the week. Up to a lovely time. It's going to be the best week of the year, I'm telling you. And that's the same thing I'm going to tell you next week. Best week of the year, guys. Best numbers. Well, look at the levels out there. 935 last month high, 950s today's high, 950s or 60s or 96 last week's high. That's not as an easy target. Let me just go ahead and share this with all the community members in all the trading groups. Make sure to do the same thing, guys, with your friends, family members, whatever, neighbors. Let them know we started and we're live. Inform them. So here we are. $125,000 for the prop firm giveaways today. Thank you so much. Posting about it on our Discord. The place, by the way, for those of you that are fresh and they're not members, you have to participate. Yes, I just told the market makers, exactly. I got an official newsletter sent out to the market makers. Market makers at wallstreet.com. You guys can do the same thing. Market makers at wallstreet.com. You send an email there, you inform the market makers, they join on the live stream, they watch our trading and deliver. So we printing money. That's our strategy, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We'll look at that rejection out there and we got to dive deep into, guess what? Into the 5-minute charts. Even though, you know, we're dealing here with daily volume weighted average price, and the 200 EMA is quite close to us, but somehow we gotta advance above. Lovely times with YRM on YRM. 20 trading sessions. Today is going to be the 21st, and that means the third cycle starts today. We have $2,374. We got a $3,000 request. $2,700 paid. What a lovely and joyful moment. No losses in 20 sessions. No losses. This is a 150k instant funding account from YRM. You just buy the account and trade 10 days minimum for $150 minimum. Respecting 20% consistency. You don't have a payout target, guys, for YRM. And for the evaluations, no activation fee. $540 on the discount, $630 with their discount, $540 with mine. $90 extra, maximum 30 active accounts, and their starter is around 64 with my code. Let's get into the numbers here. Can I have 30 sessions? 30 out of 30 profitable, 0 losses. Let's find it out. Good morning, welcome everyone. We're gonna trade micros. We have 2,300 bucks buffer, guys. You see, that's not easy. But I trust myself. And I think we're able to do it. Good morning, welcome everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Ho ho ho. We don't have rat folder news scheduled for today. But let me tell you something. Tomorrow, that's on a big day on the CPI. Wednesday, PPI. An even bigger day. And let me tell you something, guys. How we're going to celebrate. Let me tell you something right now. How we're going to celebrate. Because we're going to celebrate CPI and PPI. And I'll tell you something. We're going to celebrate it by doing on Wednesday, on the 14th, a $150,000 Lucid Flex account on giveaway. Wednesday the 14th. We will have this one scheduled. If we're going to hit a specific amount of likes for Wednesday, right? So if we see that the community members are active and they want this, we're going to do another 150x, 150k Lucid Flex account. Save the date. Save the date and like the video each time. You can join for free. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna target like my payout for the. Let me get into the help center here for the YRM and show you. This is gonna be the third payout, which means I'll be able to take out 3,500 for the 150k. Oh, that's juicy, guys. The fourth one is 6 grand, baby. It's not far away. To be honest with you, it's not that far away. So let me just look into that. Let's organize ourselves. 3,500, and this is how you gotta do it as well, guys. Just gotta be smart. You gotta be smart. 3,500. Let's divide this by 5. Because I don't want to make more than 3,500. Now, I think the sound is good. When the sound is not good, there's a lot of the people notifying me. I think the sound is good today. For the moment. Till the market makers touch our infrastructure. So, 3,500 divided to 5 is not a big deal. It's 700, right? So 700 bucks per day. I not per day. I shouldn't cross $700 for my highest day. Thank you guys. Welcome. Great to see you. Thank you. Appreciate it. So I shouldn't cross 700 bucks and make that 3,500. I think that's the best way to deal with this one. So I'm not going to cross $700 and I'll trade my way to 3,500. I can make even less than 3,500. Because I got money in the account right now, 2,300. We got 152. But then if I don't produce the money I take out, if I produce less than what I will take out, then I will remain without buffer. 200, that's 6 grand payout. That's making a big difference, guys, when you take a $6,000 payout. Yes, they allow copy trading. Yes, they allow that. Copy trading, unlimited evaluations, maximum 3 funded. They have evaluations and instant funded. For the payout, it's simple. Minimum 10 days of 150 bucks. That's all. On any account size. It's just insane, guys. So, if I don't really produce the money I'm taking out, then how am I going to target for my 4th payout? That's 6 grand. You see, I should be doing that. 3,500, even though I could take out the max payout by producing less than that. But that is going to minimize my chances for the 4th payout on the account. That's 6 grand. And that's just a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone, and invite your friends, buddies, and neighbors on the stream. No trading yet, because I don't know what to do here, to be honest with you. You see, we could actually touch that red line on the 708. It's been some volatility today, and that's why we're going to trade with the micros. Yeah, I'm shorting this. I'm reshorting this move. Could actually get a continuation easily down to the 30s mark. 700 bucks maximum in a day. Cheers, everyone. Are we just going to continue our ride to the upside? Was not a... We're going to find it out soon. I'm playing this one tight. Not going to allow the markets to do 50, 60%. So, yes, you can trade 3 funded accounts, copy trading them together. Yes, you can do copy trading. Of course, yes. 100%, 100%. Wake up the neighbors. Come on. Yeah, volumetrica. I just cannot do these numbers to show up differently. Unfortunately, there's no way to set up my settings here for volumetrica. For some reason. To make them bigger or stuff like that. Did not expect the market to push that much. We'll have to cut my position if we're not retracing from here. I'm gonna cut it. That's a stop loss hit. I'll cut you away because this one starts becoming bullish for taking liquidity higher. If we do not run it down here, there is a big danger for me to be in a long. Yeah, I sold something already. Accepted $300 loss. Let's just see how we can deal with the rest of it. That's a lovely rejection for the moment. I'm just going to wait a little more. Adding to my short here. I've DC'd in my short, guys. I've DC'd in my short. I've DC'd continuously in my short. Look at that one. Is this looking good, guys, for hitting the target? The profit is $1,000 and we have 340 realized loss. So we're going to be around that 700 mark. If we touch that, if this is obviously having a decent chance of continuation. That's a beautiful, come on. Press the pedal, guys. You guys have the pedal with the markets going. Adding a little bit to this one. I'm not scared. 736. 7 points from here. Not looking like a big deal. We're gonna put the break even soon. We're gonna put the break even soon. $50 profit on the break even. Come on, guys. It's right there. In case the market wants to reverse, we're making $50 on this one. Give me a nice nosedive. Yeah. It's $50 or hitting the target of 700. I could actually close out here and accept 150, but I'm going for... What are you doing, markets? Nah, okay. That's a good one. Beautiful job, market makers. Probably you want me to long this. 5 minute is not looking ugly at all. It's not. I could think about a long with a stop loss right below this candle. Right below this one. Good morning, welcome everyone. Great to have you on board. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. This is going to be the best week, I'm telling you. 5 minutes could break out of the supply level. We have CPI, PPI this week. You guys saw Powell. He's shaking. But soon he's out of office. And that was it. He's shaking about the investigations. Trembling. Come on, guys. Could see a volume spike here. Take profit has to be above the highest wick, 63.5. Adding a bit to this one. That's a lovely take profit right there. Not needing more. We just need this to accelerate. Could be on a 1 minute resistance trending line here, so we got to break out this thing. Good morning, welcome everyone. Stop loss right at the beginning of the wick. $72 profit on that stop loss. So we're letting the markets run once again for the entire target around the 60s. Liquidity is nicely sitting above that one, so this is the Volumetrica platform for the YRM prop firm. Break even has been touched. We made $60, $70 on that. Let me test out something here. Let me see something, guys. Because the price action speaks something. And I'm about to hit the opposite. And that's what I'm doing. 20 micros. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. You see how important it is? Stop loss and break even. I'm reshorting this. $32 for the profit. Or 900 on the other side. Welcome. Great to have you guys. Level has been touched once again. Look at a wicks that we're constructing here. Below the 200 EMA purple line. Below the daily volume weighted average price. You know this is very difficult to trade, guys. I'm shorting this. Let's see. That rejection we just got, was it fake? Was that whole thing a nice fake rejection we just got into that 1 minute previously that closed? That was it? And the market is running back once again? That's the kind of price action we get today? Instead of running the continuation show? This is not looking too good. Should have been around the 30s right now. Nah. I gotta sell partially. I sold something, of course. Nah. You just show me something on a price action structure. Nicely deny that whole candle before it closes, and then you push it back. Nah. I'm out of this. 883 down, 1,490 remaining in the account. We had 2 payouts on this account, totaling $5,000. Nice. Didn't knew about that one, Option Man. Thank you for letting me know. That's very important. Yeah. Didn't knew about that one, honestly. We've been out here just printing for the past months, pre-market, back-to-back profits. But that's just probably a mistake, right? A bug from the system. Certify. All those days on the Lucid Flex, all those days here are just, you know. Beautiful. Cyberpie, you got paid by Ticktick. Congratulations. For how many days did you waited? Option Man, you certainly are not following us for the way we trade. That's not the point. It's an opinion. And the point is to look at the numbers. Almost 3 weeks. But the most important part is you got paid, buddy. Ho ho. That's a big one. No, very good. Very good. You got paid by the Ticktick. That's a big one, buddy. Congratulations. They're still paying people out without selling a product for many, many weeks already. Look at that one, guys. So that kind of tells me they want to get back, right? That kind of tells me they want to get back in business. Because otherwise they wouldn't pay you, right? Thank you so much, guys. We had 3 trades in good profit, between 3 to 400 bucks on each. But we did win for the whole target on the 700s and did not made it through. Yeah, 5 minute looks good. Holds it for the moment here. But this is a pretty choppy level, and I should be taking my smaller profits before expecting for a runner. We don't have that much of a drawdown in the account left. We just took the second payout on the second cycle. Let's put it that way. Second cycle payout. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. And this is my expertise on the pre-US. Pre-opening. I'll just have to cut it away. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to have you on board. What a lovely day. What a lovely time. Off to a decent start. Getting paid from the YRM. Second cycle. The payout increases by 500 bucks. Oh, congratulations with that. Yeah, 99% of the trades are executed on the London session. If this is going aggressively down to 20s, that's not going to be too good for me. I'll have to cut it away. Yeah. The thing is, I did not left too much drawdown. So I did went for the £3,000 instead of building buffer for the 150k instant funded for the YRM. Got some nice liquidity hiding around the 60s level, but we're not touching it for the moment. Looks like we might test out the other side. I got a stop loss there. Happy New Week, guys. Thank you so much. Adding to this movement. Oh, there's quite a few cities. Probably the first one is Florence. Like Florenza. I would say certainly that's the first one. How you doing, guys? Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much. Second payout confirmed for YRM. We took 3,000 out instant funded from 150k, but now it's difficult with the buffer and with the max loss because we didn't left that much in the account, right? And we certainly need a good winner today, but that's a lovely move, guys. That's a lovely move. Stop loss and break even. $100 I'll take on the stop loss profit, and I'm gonna leave it for a nice runner up the way to the 63.5, which is exactly up to the wick on that one, guys. Come on, liquidity is there, our take profit is there, we're on the right side of the markets, and that's no surprise. If the silly price section is dumping all the way back, they're on my side, but I'm holding it tight here because I need a third candlestick here to be green. Third candle in a row. Give me 3 soldiers. Give me that. You know, we're getting stuck at 55. You know, I could accept here $200 profit. But that's not a big difference from the place we have our take profit at $100 on the stop loss side. So I'm leaving it open for a good reward for the upside if that's the case. Come on, guys. Give me some strength here. About to become green for today. We just started trading. This is the first account we're trading. This is the account we got paid from the YRM. 20 sessions, 20 out of 20 profit. No sessions on loss. Yeah, silver is just wild, guys. Silver. It's just wild business. Now look at that trash. Look at that trash price section. Come on. I'll put a break even here, guys. $370 profit. I gotta secure that. If we're going down, taking that 370, because my stop loss and break even have been touched. There you go. We secured at 370. Let me take that money. This is a choppy market, and it's needed. We were down $1,000, and now we're down 700. Everything's up except BTC. BTC is crumbling. Thank you, guys. We had a few good trades today, but I did not secure $300-400 on each. Instead, wanted to take that 1,000, and we touched the break even on all of that. Yeah, could be the year of silver and BTC. Could be. I don't think it's going to be the year of gold. I don't think, guys. Backing along here, in case we get a nice continuation and this is not a trap, I like to make something out of it. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Come on. We're only having 10 micros, but that's going to be a good profit at the end of the day. Let me open up my Quant Tower for our Lucid Flex accounts. By the way, Lucid is going to have a new product on the 18th, Lucid Black. I'll make a video, I'll present it to you, I'll explain it, I'll share with you the details, right? So we're in safe hands with that one too. Make sure to be part of our Discord to find out all the details. Thank you, guys. Everyone, make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Mark is about to run. We put our break-even stop loss there, and we're allowing for some liquidity grab. Lucid Black will be a new product. Yep. 50k instant funding account. For which company? YRM, Lucid. The 50k is not a good deal for YRM. 150k is the best. 6 grand drawdown. It's 540 bucks. And you only need 10 days of 150 bucks minimum. No payout target. For the YRM. We touched the level on that. But this can still slowly grind up. Looks good, guys, and it's kind of looking ready for a movement. Look at that, 15-minute looks good as well. If this is not going to face a rejection at this critical point, you can nicely do a lot from here. 200 EMA and daily volume weighted average price sitting here. You break above this, you're attacking minimum 820s, and that's not even a big deal. So I think I'm going to be comfortable even with a smaller position. But look at that, 1 minute dump. Yeah. Lucid Flex 150k, you guys saw what we made. Yeah. Now the top one is the Lucid Flex accounts. YRM today ones as well are running nice, guys. So Lucid Flex accounts, no consistency, no target on the funded stage. End of the day drawdown. You cannot dream of anything else better than that. End of the day drawdown, no consistency, and no target on the funded stage. We've got 5 accounts of that funded, and we're printing. We have 16 grand above the original balance, and 17 grand for the other accounts. We're still choppy at this point. Let's see what does the flat hour algo opens and gives us. 30 minutes to go and the US market opens, guys. It doesn't get any better than that, certainly. You made 10,000 in a good day, like we made, and then made 250 bucks for the next 4 days, and then 250 bucks for the next 5 days after you get the payout, and then another 250 bucks for the next 5 days, and you got 3 payouts from that single day of 10k. Right, think about it. You can request a payout every 5 days. If you made 10k in a day, 3 payouts can be secured from that if you want to use that money to take it out. You're just, milking the system. But they say it's great. We do agree with that. We're in a little long here. If this little demand zone holds around this point, would like to monetize it. Yep. It's just that you have to pass the challenge, right? 6% target. Their support is insane. Insane in a good way. Just like their payout system surprises you in a matter of minutes or seconds. Some people got paid in seconds. Right, so today, these are the industry standards. Few hours and you get paid. 6 months ago, you were happy with a payout in 5 days or 7 days. Hello, hi. This is the first account we're trading, guys. Believe it or not, we spent like 40 minutes so far and we're still down with $700. Right? This is the reality of trading. Pure reality. Meanwhile, in other cases, 40 minutes into the stream, we completed trading 5, 6, 7 accounts. But this is looking decent here. It could actually give us a response to all that level. We have not been finding that much of acceptance below the 35. So we could pull the trigger back. Yeah. CPI, PPI, that's the way it's going to be till that time. A lot of the nonsense. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video and thank you so much for joining. Be part of our Discord community. We're streaming from daily, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Come on, guys. That's a lovely move. Let's just give credit to the market and attack that huge target on the 64. Do I make money here? Or it's just me dreaming and hoping? Because the price section is thinking about something else. Look at that. Look at that 1 minute candle. You see, I didn't put the break even that quickly and it's back close to 50s. It was almost totally rejected. I just cannot put break even here. Oh my gosh, look at that. You know, market makers are denying the good possibility from here. I don't want to see another rejection here, guys. I'm not going to enjoy that. Nah. I'm going to sell something. Yeah. Yeah, I sold something, guys. Accepted a partial loss from here. I had to do it. We only have 10 micros left. Accepted $200 loss here. Right, so this could actually continue into... Look at that, all the wicks on the 15 minute. It's dangerous. All the wicks there. Bunch of rejections. 5 minute looks ugly as well. Clearly having a strong possibility respecting that downtrending resistance there. You know. There's some nice liquidity here. If they want to deliver that. 720s. But I think there's going to be a lot of fake movements. Testing out if this was just a liquidity grab and reversal point. Yeah. We do have some dangerous levels here. We got to DCA into this one. We got to DCA aggressively. Let me bring up my target. Stop loss and break even. Oh my gosh. What a rejection. Come on, bring it up, guys. That's looking decent for a continuation. We just took the liquidity from there, trapped people into shorts. trap people into shorts, and markets reverse something. Sitting on break even here. 46 bucks. Markets will do dirty. That was it. 46 bucks. And that's a perfectly unknown way of dealing. With the price section. Testing out a short here. Testing out a short here. Testing out a continuation here. No. That's playing some dirty games. Yep. Yeah, I took 2 great payments from this account. And I have day number 10 on the next one I'm about to trade here on YRM. Day number 10 is going to be on that one. Today, hopefully. Just got to do 150 bucks minimum. But that's an ugly push once again we got here. Might have to cut it away. Sitting in an ugly short here. If it's not dumping right now from those levels, it's an ugly short for me. And the stop loss is going to be there. If it's not dumping from here. We took 2 payouts from this account, yeah. But it would have been nice to have the 3rd one and then go for the 4th. The 4th is 6 grand. Come on, guys. Nice and tight on the stop loss, 748. Looks like we're in fire. Looks like it. Adding a little bit more to this one. Yep. Look at that, rejections on the 5-minute. Ha 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 ha. Essentially, it's not a bad idea sitting in shorts, but you see what's happening. We're going to set a take profit here. Pretty hard here. Look at that one, guys. Look at this candlestick. Respecting that trend line pretty much accurately. But certainly not pushing and continuing. Let's see. We have a minute out of this candle. And I would love not to have a closing above 47. Lovely. We also got in a short on my Lucid Flex account on Quantower. We got in a short there as well. I'll cut my position soon if reverses on my Flex for the Lucid on Quantower. We got in a short over there too. Aggressive 10 minis short. We have $17,000 in the account. $17,000 balance built above the original balance. 17 grand. So look at that one, guys. This is the price section you've got here for the 5-minute. Come on, down to 20s. That's going to be tons of volatility for sure. So I'm not going to sit too much if it's not cliffing with this sizing here and on Quantower too for the Flex accounts. Well, look at that great move. That's an interesting spot we've got here, guys. Come on. Bring it in. We don't really have a target here, but I'm going to sell something, right? So secured 470. I'm out fully here. 1,675. We're going to look into that soon. I want to pay attention to this one. I'm selling some market orders. I'm selling some market orders, guys. Keep doing it. I've actually sold some. Stop loss on break even. $34 profit there. We've eliminated $800 from the loss we had that was realized. If I close it out right here, it's going to be break even. But I'm leaving it open, guys. And on the other side, we've made 1,675 on this short. It has 169 $6,837 inside the account. This is an account of 150K, $19,000 in the account. Obviously, that is an absolute moment of celebration and fireworks time. The first fireworks show for the day and for the week. Let me tell you something, guys. On this account, last week, boom. On this account last week, we had 2 days where we were down more than $3,000 that were realized. And we just climbed back and got into the profit on Friday to the target, right? And we got basically paid for the second cycle. We have 20 days on this account. Back-to-back profits. Thank you so much, guys. The best part is probably around the south. You want to search some places in south. You want to search some places in south. For a good pizza. It's probably more authentic. Look at that lovely move. Testing out the little long here. Testing out a little long here. And I'm gonna switch the other account for Lucid Flex. And we're just gonna go for, we got 2 minis on the Flex. We're not trading micros, we're trading minis here for the Flex. And we're gonna get you on 295 target. 295 bucks. I don't need more than that. I'll make the minimum on this one. And that's it, right? Let's go. Come on. Yep. Now, someone asked me about the pizzas. Italian ones. Probably from the south. South of Italy. You kind of get pretty much good quality and all over the places if you find those spots, right? So I think you can eat nicely in the north, but at the same time in the south too, if you find those places that are quality. Come on, guys. Let's just make some money on this one. It's difficult. We've been down a lot. There's not much buffer in the account. I gotta do $700 today. We've DC'd into. And I'm going for my 700 bucks target. Yeah. Yep, you just have to find the right spots. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Putting the stop loss right below this candle. And I think we're about to hit a target here. Oh. Stop loss break even. What a silly price action. That was a single tick away from hitting our target on this account. A single tick away. 44.75 and our exit is on 45. We touched the break even. And on the other side, we also touched the break even here. Incredible, guys. A single tick away. What a miserable price action. Oh my gosh. CPI and PPI tomorrow. Look at that. That's what you have to look into. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Prop firms getting terrified. Who's in fire today, guys? Who's in fire today after recovering from that difficult spot? You know, if I can take the third payout on this account for the YRM, and that would be not necessarily in 10 trading days. We had 20 back-to-back winners, 20 days. Not necessarily in the next 10 sessions. The time has come to a spot where we might have to accept a loss or something like that. Not yet, for example, today, not yet. Yes, 50% of your profits must come from trades you held. 10 seconds, minimum 10 seconds. Right, so 50% of your profits must come from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. What's up, guys? Great to see you. But we recovered today. Indeed, it was miserable. This is for the YRM, Jake. For Lucid, minimum 5 seconds, 50% of your trades. Let me fix the audio right now. Maybe right now it's better. Maybe right now, yeah. I do see my settings are right there below the whole setup, and I can see it. Right, so 10 seconds is for YRM, 50% of your trades. Profits. 50% of your profits, not trades. 50% of your profits must come from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. And for Lucid, 50% of your profits must come from trades you held minimum 5 seconds. It refers to the profits, not to the amount of trades. So you have 10 seconds for YRM, 5 seconds for Lucid, and 50% on both sides for the profits. Yep. I think we're going to attack the 20s. We're not going to leave. Look at that. And we might even go below. Wow, what a price section, guys. I'm testing out a little long here. You know, we just jumped 15 points. I'm testing out a little long. Even on my Lucid Flex account here, 2 minis. Let's see if we get the second green candle. And the third in. Otherwise, if this is getting denied, I'm gonna rush out. I don't like that, guys, honestly. I might just... No rejection, I'm gonna be out here. You're not gonna see me long in that scenario. Let's see if we can get saved by a tick. A single tick to my stop loss there. We got saved for the moment. Let's see what's gonna happen. Just a single tick away. Three minutes to go and the market opens. We touched our stop loss here. But I'm back in a long. What a lovely buying pressure stepped in, guys. Oh, that was brutal. Well, that's the way it's going to be today. This is just nuts. Gotta put my new stop loss below this. This is... Oh, look at that one, guys. What's happening here? Let me check out what's happening on the other side too, here, for the YRM. Take profit, 745. Give me that one, guys. 2 minutes left. What the hell is happening, guys, with this price action? Look at that. Oh my god. $740s for our Lucid account to hit a target. 740s. Come on. Stop loss and break even. I'll raise my trailings there. Beautiful. Target has been hit, $368. This is the second funded account we've trading today. $368, and I think we touched the target on the other side too. Very close to that. Look at that one, guys. Come on. Let me sell some limit or market orders and increase the rest of the take profit, leaving... Ho-ho, we're 369 profit secured, hitting the target, $638 there. Final target has been hit, $638 profit. We needed an hour to trade this account to this level. Boom, celebration time. Thank you so much, guys, for trusting, believing. No wonder, no surprise, we've got 20 profitable back-to-back sessions here on this account. And we got a second payout. Ho-ho. And the opening, guys. Let me not forget about it. There you go. You got your bell? You got your bell ready? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Well, that was a nice breakout. Look at that. This is what happened. Well, look at that one, guys. And you say the market makers are not watching us. Look at that. They brought the price session exactly in this level. And then just a big spike from there. Look at that one, guys. Perfect. It is perfect, guys. As we talked about it. The only thing the market makers had to do is just follow the line. What a big pump, right? Already managed to do 100 points. Let me watch some levels higher. 950s. What do you guys think about the 950s? Oh, I think it's on the table. Let me trade my other... Look at our numbers. On this Flex account, which has 169 grand. Been taking payouts in this one. Look at that. It has no losses, guys. This is the fund that stage 150k flex. $10,000 here. Lucid Flex 150k are just insane. And this is still running. Alright guys, so let's see what we traded. We traded $177 here, profit. Quick scalp. Thank you guys. 177 quick scalp here. But let me tell you, I have my day number 10 on the other side, I think, today. I have an account at day number 10. Let's not forget about it. Let's just verify which is that one. For the YRM, 150k, day number 10. So 21 sessions here. Today was the first one of the third cycle. Now we're sitting better because we have 3,000 bucks to the max loss. We have 638 profit today. Now we're sitting much better. But this account, we have 9 sessions and today is going to be the last session. 5,500 profit in 9 sessions. Consistency is achieved. Target of 150 bucks is the only thing we need. 20% consistency and 10 days of 150 minimum. I'm going to trade that one for the payout, guys. It's the first cycle for that account, and we're going to qualify today for a payout if we make 150 bucks. Testing out a little short here. Not a good timing. But I'm not worried. I'm out of this, except to $25 loss. Testing out a short from a little higher. We only need to do 150 bucks, guys, profit. That's all we gotta do. No. Look at that stuff. Chill out, chill out. Cut the position here. This is not reversing and stopping. Adding a little bit, and then I'm cutting. For example, I've cut partially. I've cut another 166 accepted. I've just DCA'd into a short right there. A little more. Take profit here. Couple of points down. Come on. 256 profit, guys. Totally secured at 256 profit. That's how you short a market. It's that pumping. This is day number 10. Payout has been secured. Day number 10 here. 256 profit secured. Boom. Oh my gosh. That was not easy. Let's go. Come on. Day number 10. Thank you, guys. Let's look into the days here. Trading sessions 10 right now. Table. And then we look into the net P&L. So table and then net P&L column. Write this one. Our highest day is 1,344. And we only have green days. We don't have losses. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. That's another payout secured. It's easy. Just 10 days, minimum 150 bucks. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. We have 137 likes, 225 people watching. That's 90 difference. Giveaways are not going to start like that. So let's trade the next account. Let me show you something very interesting, guys. Let me show you something here. Yeah, this one. I'm running an experiment on this one. We have 5 days already. In 5 days, we only made 1,300. It's 150k instant funded. But let me show you the results and the way we did this. That's it. This is the net P&L column. That's the place you have to look into. Those are the numbers we made in this one. It's 150k instant funded. I'm running an experiment to see how easy it is to produce that minimum target date. Look at that. Right, so that minimum $150, we just made baby money above that. There is a day with 500 bucks. That's right. But I gotta do that, however, because you see I have to make the money I want to cash out and see the way it works. Right, so I want to trade this account today for the minimum $150, $200 around that one. It's going to be day number 6. That's insane, guys, on the price section. We made some money on our flex, 319. Well, I'm going to show you soon with that one too. Grabbing a little long here. I'm out for the moment. 105 profit. 105 profit. Grabbing a little short here. I'm out. 208 profit totally. We're celebrating, guys. That's it. That's the way you trade it. 208 profit totally. Target has been hit, guys. That's how you scalp. Boom. Celebration. Celebration. Making money on the short, making money on the long. 208. So all the 3 accounts on YRM hit the target today. All the 3. This one, $319. Enough profit here. This one, 244. We still need $6, right? And I'm gonna long it here. 255. We made above the 250. These are Lucid Flex accounts of 150k. Right, so where you gotta do minimum 5 days of a 250 bucks. $255. Great. Alright, so this is the second account. The third one, 496. The fourth, 1,675. And the fifth, 368. All the 5 accounts Lucid Flex got the target. All IRM. Target hit. All Lucid Flex. Target hit. That's 3 on YRM. And Lucid Flex 5, that's 8 accounts. 8 out of 8. Target hit today. Good. Let's continue with my top one.
Order filled.
And see if I can do some
Order
money
filled.
from shorting here. I'm out for the
Order
moment.
filled.
157 profit. Should have held that one for more. 150. We need to do 500 here. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe right now. Voice is back right now. It's back. Good. The voice is back. Voice is back. So make sure to join our Discord community and get ready for the giveaway. Get ready, guys. Come on.
Order filled.
I'm shorting this move.
Order filled.
Stop loss break even. Target is right there.
Order filled.
Boom, boom, boom. 522, target has been hit. As simple as like that. On the top on Futures Ignite account, 522, target has been hit. Boom. Looks like it's all fake, right? Looks like, you know, I'm sitting in a simulation, guys. Yeah. You know, this way with the microphone being like that, I keep people actively in the chat. And we're tweaking the market makers. That's 9 out of 9. That's 9 out of 9. Yeah, we're cheating. We got a cheat code on the markets. So 9 out of 9 traded. It's good. Well, this 15-minute candlestick is going to be about A lot of bullishness coming through today. That was a huge push. And we finished this candlestick with a tiny rejection, guys, kind of confirming who's leading today. And this kind of days are easy to be scalped. Easy to make money from such situations. We get into the 4-hour candlesticks for the Nasdaq. 4-hour candlestick. Let me just turn this thing off. We have a supply here on the 950s that we've been getting stuck. But the perspective is quite simple. You got stuck on this level, which is a flat one, is a supply, 950s. And then this is what you did with your lows. It's kind of simple to see what we are pressuring to which direction. Yep. Look at that one. Pressuring the flat top side with the current perspective. Not bad. Getting into the daily presentation. It wants to go to the upside daily. Look at that. Daily is getting ready for an upside move on the Nasdaq, which means all-time high. So let me tell you guys, you know, currently we're sitting on 26,400, probably around that one on the all-time high. Let me just see it exactly, 26,399. The question is, are we going to break out of that? Let me do a pull here. Yes. I got my Ethereum position holding it for a long period of time already. I haven't touched my Ethereum position. So I've asked you a question, guys, in the pool. Do we cross 26,399, which is the all-time high for Nasdaq in January? Let me know what do you guys think about. You see, I don't think we're revisiting the monthly opening, the yearly opening. 25,478. I don't think we revisit that before we touch the all-time high. About, you know, 400 points away from here to the downside. And the other side, the all-time high is like 500 points. We're running, making a new momentum here. 5-minute charting. Look at that. New momentum. I'll put you on the 15-minute representation, and that's just lovely. Yep. Three months. Or the Ethereum. Could get it to today. Well, you know, I wouldn't mind either of that. None of that would be a problem. It's just all-time high needed. And then I'm looking for BTC. We got a blink. It's back above 100 grand. You got a blink again. It's going to be 120s. And you blink for the third time and it's 140s. And then it's coming back to 60 grand, right? Let me share with you something about a BTC discussion. You know, for those of you that care about the altcoins, this is an important chart. The weekly chart, this one. This is the BTC dominance. When this is increasing, it's not that good for the altcoins. You don't have a season, of course, of bullishness for the altcoins when this is increasing. When this is not, this is the weekly candlestick. So we had a trend since 2023. We lost that trend. We retested the line and we failed to climb above the yellow line. There's a supply over there too. We got rejected by it. And possibly now we're gonna cliff. This is the alt season. Right? So for those of you that care about the altcoins, that's the alt season when it cliffs like that. That could be something. If it appears here, you'd hit the nail of the coffin. Good luck, everyone. We start a giveaway in a few minutes. We're starting on it. Yet Nasdaq is with a very high possibility from my standpoint, even this week. If we get good data from CPI and PPI right there to hit the all-time high, 79% we're going to all-time high. I'm 99% sure about it for January. But of course, it's just an opinion. It depends on the macroeconomics, depends on things that are happening, which are not yet decided and not yet published. From the political side and from the economical side. Good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you guys so much for joining. We're starting the giveaways in a few minutes. We have 9 out of 9 accounts in profit. Let's see if we can make it 10 out of 10.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can do
Order
10 out of
filled.
10 in profits. This is another Ignite account for the top 1 futures.
Order filled.
No. I'll put a stop loss there. No, I'm not swing trading the
Order filled.
equities or stocks. No. That's the link right there. Got stopped out on that one for sure. 9 out of 10. They traded today till I had a stop loss hit. But we're gonna wrap up the things with that one for sure. So, we need a DUX. We need the wheel, and we're getting ready with the wheel. That's a pretty difficult subject that I don't really support the agreement. No. I'm not supporting it. As a judgment, as a final judgment, I'm not supporting it, but the discussion is a lot longer and the reasons and stuff, right? But I'm not supporting the agreement. No, no. So, time for the giveaway, guys. Time for the giveaway. The time has come. The time has come for the giveaways, actually. We're having 3 giveaways for today. I'll give you a minute to sign up. You got the link right there in the chat. The AI panel is active. Everything's running fine. And we are getting ready. So, how to join? How to join? You certainly want to be on the form. Completing the form. Then, like the video. You gotta like the video. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. Streaming from Monday to Friday. 8 a.m. EST time. With some decent trading, great education, and of course, giveaways daily. Plus, we're posting on my channel user details and stuff. And then the Discord community as well. Some people and some entities will benefit in Brazil. Some. Depends how that resource that's benefiting is going to be distributed to the population of Brazil. Has a different story, right? But some people will benefit from this on a very, very heavy way, for sure. Great stuff, guys. So getting ready. Certainly that's not going to be the wide and large population. No. They're not. They're not. Good. So, first giveaway, 50k Lucid Pro. So, let me think about the numbers. We have 5 zeros, a single number 1, a single number 2, a single number 3, and 5 number 7. And that's it. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck. 5 zeros, a single number 1, a single number 2, a single number 3, and 5 number 7. Best of luck, everyone. That's going to be $50,000. Lucid Pro account for the first giveaway today. First giveaway today is the Lucid Pro, 50 grand. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. This is a 50k Lucid Pro. Stop right there. Let's shuffle them once and we're ready to go. Best of luck, everyone. Could be that number 1, guys, in between the 777. That's going to be pretty tricky for a Monday pedal, right? That number 1 in between the 27 right there could be pretty rigged for a Monday like this. And it's kept going, and there you go. That's a number 1. Congratulations for the winners. We had a single number 1. 5 zeros, 5 7, and we're hitting the single numbers. Congratulations. Look at that. Congratulations for the winners. Let's just bring up the list. I don't think there is more than 30, 40. 14. Oh my god. 14. Look at that. How on earth is possible? 14 winners. Oh my gosh. What a chance right there. You gotta think about the number that's least liked and go with it, guys. Because if you're winning that, that's the place you have most of your chances on the duck race. Least preferred. Now, of course, if I tell you that on the stream, the majority of people will do this, or some people will do this, and it will no longer be the least preferred. Who's gonna win, guys? Come on. We got a doctor. Olo. Look at a doctor. Olo. Congratulations. Who's this guy? Never heard about. Never heard about Olo. We're gonna find it out if you completed a form. Yes, you're fully confirmed. Congratulations out there. You're fully confirmed. $50,000 Lucid Pro account goes out to you. Second giveaway will be 25k Tap 1 futures, end of the day, instant funded. Second giveaway 25,000 instant funded, end of the day drawdown. Congratulations. Let me think about the ratio. So we're gonna do one number 1, 2 number 2, 3 number 3, a single 0, and a single 7, and that's it. Right? You can start right now. 1 number 1, 2 number 2, 3 number 3, a single 0, and a single 7. That's it, guys. That's the ratio. You gotta deal with it. Only a single guess per person. Make sure to like the video for those of you that are late. You gotta be subscribed. You gotta be part of our Discord community. Thank you, guys. Streaming from Monday to Friday. Giveaways daily for free. And a great education. And cheers, everyone. We had a big profitable day today. A very good one. One of the best days. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. That's it. Thank you. Here you go. We're going to shuffle you. And we're letting it run. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. That's not going to be the 7. Could be the number 3 on the blue side. We had 3 number 3 right there. Could be that blue number 3, right? I don't think we jump. I don't think we jump. And there you go. Congratulations for the number 3. Congratulations for the winners. Let's go. Come on. There's going to be like 50, 60, probably 70, maybe. Let's go. SBB, you were second, very close to winning the account. And you had 2 chances. What if the winner would have not been completing the form? We're waiting for the list. Finally, you got your number 3. Your brother might not be here. Your brother might not be here. 115. Oh my gosh. 115. That means we're doing 2 rounds. 115. Look at that. So top 3 will qualify for the second round. Whenever we have more than 100 winners, there is 2 rounds of duck races. Top 3 will qualify for the second round. Oh, you're right there. So you got your number 3. There you go. Time for you to monetize. Time for you to monetize. I wanted to say something else, but I say monetize. Dreambox, what you doing right there? When there are 30 seconds, Dreambox is looking forward advancing. We never had a winner that's been leading for the first 50 seconds or so. Come on, guys. Time to speed up. Look at that. Who's speeding up, guys? And we got a Superman once again. The Dreambox came through once again, guys. That's unique. That's unique, guys. Look at that one. Dreambox. Jace Trays, you're right there. And Alberto, we're taking the top 3. Don't forget about it. Don't forget about it. So, Jace, Alberto, you can celebrate. And Dreambox, well, this is kind of the worst time to win. It's much better to be the 3rd. But let's verify. Dream, are you here? Dreambots? And he is having Dreambox. It's not the same guy, right? Dreams bots and $. The first one did not fill up the form. The first one did not fill up the form. You're not here, buddy. You did not fill up the form. Unfortunately. Dreambox. Jace trades. So you're gonna miss this one, Dream. What about Jace? Come on. Jace. What's wrong with this? Jace. Jace trades, congratulations. You did fill up. You did fill up. You're the first one running for the second round. Alberto. Alberto is here. Congratulations. And the third one, Moji. What's up, Moji? You did not fill up the form. We got a second one. No. You did not fill up the form. Ho ho. We're taking the 5th. Fatty. Fatty Mar. There you go. Fatty Mar is here. So these are the 3 that filled up the form. Jace, Alberto, and Fatty Mar. You guys will go for the grand prize, competing for 30 seconds. Best of luck, everyone. Moji. The form is not filled. Let's go. Yeah, previous round didn't happen, that one. Look at that one. 6 seconds to go. Alberto speeds up and taking the lead with a panda. How did they get so well, guys, with a panda custom? Congratulations for the Alberto winning the $25,000 instant funding account for the Tap on Futures. Good job, Alberto. Fatimar, you came out second, third, and fourth. Niti, I did deliver the account. You want to check your Discord. I delivered the account today. Congratulations for the winners. Alberto. Time to advance to the third giveaway today. And the third one is going to be the 50k YRM. 50k YRM third giveaway. For those of you that are fresh, yes, direct message me. So third giveaway 50k YRM. Let's put it this way. 5 zeros. 5 number 7. 1 number 9. A single number 1. And that's it. You can start right now. You can start right now. We've got 5 zeros, 5 sevens, a single 9, and a single 1. I'll give you about 20-30 seconds, guys. So you can do some screening and see which number is not popular. You also want to look into the chances, right? Because that number 9 and the solo number 1, well, less than 10% chance hitting the wheel. But you see, guys, the AI pedal is getting ready. It's listening to the voice. Lots of number 9. Yep. People think the number 9 is not popular, but it became popular by not being initially popular, right? If initially it's not popular, after the first 50 guesses, it becomes popular, so it's not worth to go with it. Maybe. You never know. You never know. It depends what comes out on the wheel at the end of the day. But there you go. We're going to stop it right there. No more guesses, no spamming. We have Tiago going with both 0 and number 7, right? I mean, kind of trying to secure both sides. He didn't win with all the numbers, guys. Do not get upset with him. He did not win with a number 9, with a number 1. Tiago. He just went with the 0s and 7s, securing him a good chance. Well, the good part is only one guess per person, and your first guess is accepted. So, your first guess is accepted. The only ones are not accepted. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck right there. It's not going to be the number 1 for sure. And it's not going to be the number 9 too. That's going to be a fight with the 0s and 7s. And that's going to be the number, what? Maybe 7? Do we get that close to the 7? That's going to be right at the border. Pressing the pedal, guys. Trying to make it 7. And here you go. Congratulations. Well, that was a successful, nice pedal control right there. Number 7 for the winners. It's just a lucky 7. I mean, for the third giveaway, we got to do it. That's just a lucky 7 right there. Congratulations. Let's go. Probably there's plenty of you going with this one. Oh, it's just 76. Competition is there. Less than 2% chance of winning. 76. You guys will compete for 2 minutes. And we're good to go. Shuffle. Start. There you go. Best of luck, everyone. Keep it tight. Yeah, that's crazy with a form. You guys forgot about a form. So you got a strategy for each prop firm. That's a good one, right? So who's gonna get stopped out here leading right now? Look at a PG contract with a punk. IB78, Tracy right there. Who's leading, guys? Let me see. Tello at the top with a Superman. Do I swim without you? Come on. Valeus, FM 1256. El Boldagon. Who's gonna win? Look at the costumes, guys. Look at the costumes. We've got Oliver as well. We got a Dino here leading with a number 1. You guys disagree with that? Come on. And a Tello. Number 22, Twello at the top. It's not good. You're leading there. Not too promising. There's about 30, 40 ducks that you guys cannot see because they're way behind. Randy Massimiliano is with a mask. Is dealing with a COVID. Massimiliano. Look at that one, guys. Come on. Speed up. 5 seconds to go. Tudini. Tudini with a penguin and 316 cents. Well, we've got Tudini. Let's find it out. Tudini, there you go. Pretty close with a Freeman. Tudini, are you on the list? Are you here, Tudini? Yes, you are fully confirmed, Tudini. Fully confirmed. Yes, I'm here. Congratulations, that was a 50K. Where's the microphone, guys? Audio. This is a trick, guys, for the market makers. We're back with a microphone running nicely. We got a button. And I'm turning it off on purpose. Now, we're joking, guys. So have a lovely time, guys. We need a new microphone. We gotta do something. A Blue Yeti. This is a Shure microphone. No idea. Well, let me just fix it. So lovely day, lovely times, beautiful community, big money made across the course with the accounts. Nothing to cry about. It has been a very good day. And let me tell you something. No lag again, but there is. Let me fix this. All right, I think we're good. I think we're good, guys. So we had a lovely day, lovely time. Lovely day, lovely time, guys. It's back again. It's functioning. Voice is breaking up, but now it's a little bit better. Thank you guys so much. I'm just watching the settings right there because I can see when there is a little. I'm gonna fix this one, repair it today, guys. Thank you guys so much once again. Have a lovely day, lovely time. We meet up on Discord and we talk to you tomorrow as well on our stream. Enjoy your day. Peace.